Every dollar in your wallet is controlled by one country, one government, one central bank, America. For 80 years, the entire world has had no choice but to use the US dollar to buy oil, trade goods, and store their national wealth. But right now, as you watch this video, China is executing the most ambitious financial plan in human history to end dollar dominance forever, and they are closer than anyone is admitting. Welcome to Cryptic Capital. Follow the money. To understand why China is doing this, you first need to understand how the dollar became king. 1944, World War II almost over. 44 countries gathered in a small hotel in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire. They made one decision that changed the entire financial world. Every currency in the world would be tied to the US dollar, and the US dollar would be tied to gold. America became the financial center of the entire planet. Even after the gold link was broken in 1971, the dollar survived. Because of one secret agreement, America convinced Saudi Arabia to only accept US dollars for oil payments. Suddenly, every country that needed oil needed dollars first. The petrodollar was born, and with it, America gained financial control over the entire world. China watched this system for decades, and in February 2026, President Xi Jinping made the most direct statement of his entire career. He called for the Chinese yuan to become the world's new reserve currency. Not a suggestion, a declaration, and China has already been quietly executing this plan for years. Step 1. The petrodollar attack. China convinced Saudi Arabia to accept yuan for oil payments in 2023. The same move America made in 1971. China just copied it. Step 2. The BRICS currency network. Russia, India, Brazil, South Africa, all building alternative payment systems that bypass the dollar entirely. Step 3. The digital yuan. China's central bank digital currency is already being used in 26 countries, a programmable currency that China controls completely, that leaves zero trace on American financial systems. Step 4. Buying gold. China has been buying gold aggressively for 36 consecutive months. Why? Because when you replace the dollar, you need something real to back your currency. Gold is that something. So, what happens if China succeeds? America loses its most powerful weapon, the ability to print dollars the world is forced to accept. Countries under US sanctions suddenly free from American control. Oil prices in dollars become oil prices in yuan. American debt, which only works because dollar is the world reserve currency, becomes impossible to sustain. This is not a trade war. This is not a political argument. This is a direct attack on the foundation that makes America the most powerful nation on earth. And it is happening. Right now. Quietly. Without most people even noticing. The dollar has been king for 80 years, but history tells us no currency rules forever. Rome had the denarius. Britain had the pound sterling. Both were replaced. The only question now is, will the dollar be next? And if it is, what happens to every dollar sitting in your wallet right now? Subscribe to Cryptic Capital, where every week we follow the money the world tries to hide. See you next week.